Alright, what's going on, guys? I make this video with some excitement because the wait is finally over, and I mean this wait is finally over. Let me flip you around here. We have finally decided what we're doing with this Cabover project. Just to refresh you if you're new or if it's been a minute since you've been updated on this. This is a 1987 Cabover Peterbilt, and we have plans to what we're calling restore it, but it won't be quite back to, you know, stock restoration or not quite show quality, but as Vice Grip Garage would say, like look good from across the parking lot kind of thing from 48 feet away. So anyway, we've been stringing you guys along on this for a long time. We originally pulled the motor out. We got this knowing the motor was bad. Before we could make any plans, we had to pull the motor out and decide how bad it really was. It had spun some bearings, so the crank was trashed. We finally tore that down, sent it off to the machine shop. The block needed thousands and thousands of dollars worth of work. We've just kind of been in limbo. We've been asking the viewers on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere, you know, what should we do? Should we fork out the money for the B model cat that came out of it, or should we put a big cam in it or something? We've had a lot of really good input, and we've taken it all to serious consideration. So that being said, we've finally come up with an idea what we're doing, and I'm excited to break it to you. You're not going to find out in this exact video, but let me tell you the schedule before you just click off. I'm going to try really hard to be putting out a video on this Cabover job pretty much every Sunday. I'm going to try and be really consistent for you so you can follow the project, kind of be involved, be excited about it. First video you're going to catch is us announcing what motor we're going to go together with, whether it's that cat or something else. We're also going to bring you along for the whole process of building that motor. We're going to just go back together with it, completely new and fresh and out of frame, and so that it's in there and we don't have to pull it back out. The next video that I'm really excited about is we've got a lot of work to do on this truck in the meantime. So while we're waiting on parts for the build, the engine build, we're going to strip down the rest of the way. I've already singled out these wheels to kind of get us more access. We are gonna get this fifth wheel plate off. We're gonna get these tank straps off, a few more things, and we're gonna degrease like crazy this whole frame, and we're gonna paint it. And the cool part about that is I've got my buddy Troy from Troy's Garage coming down. He's gonna spend a weekend with us, and we're gonna just tackle this project. So super excited to have his help because he's always a good hand. That'll be pretty fun. Spend a weekend down here. We'll do a little bit of barbecuing and stuff and get this frame stripped down, painted, ready for our engine build to go back together when we get some parts. So anyway, that's just a little update. I realize this has been a long drawn out project, but now we finally have a direction we're going on it, and we're hoping to keep you some consistent content. And we do plan on asking the viewers for your opinion on a lot of things. So please leave comments. Please, you know, interact with us. Let us know what you want to see us do with this thing. I got a lot of cool ideas in mind, but we're happy to listen to things too. So the initial plan is just kind of make it roadworthy, but still looking sharp and just back to truck form. So we will put a fifth wheel back on it. I don't know if it'll be this one or if we'll get a whole new setup. This one's kind of rigged and tired anyway, so maybe we'll lean that way. We'll see. The goal is to just have us a working truck around the shop. Eventually our towing business, we pick up a Landau or something like that, and then we can pull it around with it. Parades, you know, moving trailers around the yard, whatever it may be. But a really sharp looking old Cabover truck that we saved from going to the junkyard pretty much. So that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. I know it's taken a while. Tune in the next couple weeks for some awesome videos. Troy's Garage showing up, helping us paint this thing, and then we'll get some parts here and start going back together. So thanks for sticking around, guys. It's finally go time, and I'm really excited.